యా ఎక్కడున్నారు? నేను స్లైడ్ షేర్ చేయలే కదా మంజుల.
ఎస్ మేడం.
1 సెకండ్. నాకు షేర్ ఆప్షన్ ఇవ్వు. మంజుల
మేడం
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఆప్షన్
ఒకసారి చూడండి మేడం.
ఆప్షన్
చేశాను ఒకసారి.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది.
Okay, madam, please continue. Good morning, madam ji.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Please continue.
Yes, 1 second. Yeah, good morning, girls.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Yesterday, I'll explain to the ectocarpus, no? In the ectocarpus, see here, girls, what is the ectocarpus? Marine algae. I'll explain in the PO5C member. That is one marine algae. In this ectocarpus, 2 types of reproduction are there. One is the asexual and second one is the sexual reproduction. Yesterday, I think asexual reproduction is totally completed. Yes, ma?
Yes, madam.
Next one, the second reproduction name is called sexual reproduction. What is the sexual reproduction, ma? What type of sexual reproduction you can observe here? చెప్పండి, నేను చెప్పాను కదా what type of sexual reproduction? Isogamous. It is the both isogamous and anisogamous type. 2 types of sexual reproduction you can observe in this one. One is the isogamous. The second thing is the anisogamous type. Here, anisogamous may be 2 types. One is the morphological anisogamous and second thing is the physiological anisogamous. Here, these are produced inside the plurilacular gametangia. You know, yesterday I'll explain what is plurilacular, what is unilacular. Plurilacular is the many lacules are to produce the each and every lacule. Uni meaning single one. The plurilacular cone shape is there. Many lacules to found, that is called the multilacular system. Where the unilacular is there, what is a single one? Single lacula is present. That is a single lacula. In this sexual reproduction, 2 types. One is a morphological anisogamous, physiological anisogamous. 1 second, ma. See here, one is development here where the sexual plurilacular gametangia how to develops from the terminal cells or lateral bractlet. This one very long elongated cell structure is there. This produced haploid gamete. The terminal cells gets inflated by repeated transfer divisions are there, resulting the 100 and very small cube-like cells to form. Each and every cube-like cell is the biflagellated gamete. The gamete liberated to the gametangia. In this one, this gametangia is called, see, this one is the gametangia. This is the male gametangium. This one is the female gametangia. In external brown algae involving here fusion of naked gametes. Here many gametangia or many gametes or many male gametes fuse with only single female gamete. This formation name is called clump formation. What is the formation here, ma? The formation is called, and what is the single male gamete to form the many female gametangia? That is formation is called clump formation. Here plasmogamy and karyogamy both are present, and role of here fertilization, the motile female gamete begins to sterile and to start the chemical to produce the chemical hormones. That is the biological function. The ectocarpus first isolated algal, that is the zygote to undergo germinate without reduction and without resting phase. Here diploid sporophyte bears is the unilacular and plurilacular. Diploid sporophyte is the to form to the both pluri and unilacular sporangias. The same plant to produce both. Gametes are to produce. These gametes show flagella with a eukaryotic aggregations are present. Here nucleus is the centrally located, cell wall very thin, and female gamete is the thymatic position. Male gamete is the chemotaxic positions are there. In this ectocarpus, the life cycle you can observe diploid life cycle is present. Alternation generation of isomorphic life cycle. Here two phases you can observe. One is the diploid sporophyte and second thing is the haploid gametophytic stage. Morphologically but physiologically dissimilar. That is the physiological anisogamy in present in this sexual reproduction. So this type is called an isomorphic life cycle. The reproduction is the sporophytic reproduction is there and gametophytic, both reproduction to present in this life cycle. You can know economic important also very important in this one alginics, the cell wall made up of alginic acid. No, this alginic and fumonic acid are produced the secondary metabolic uses, manufacturing for the toothpaste, creams, face creams, different medicine used for the medicines and so. This is the ectocarpus. Yesterday also this much of portion are to is completed to the total ectocarpus. Yes, girls. Now I'll start to the rhodophysi member Polysiphonia. Okay, ectocarpus link and doubts unayama? Yes, girls.
No, ma'am.
Now I'll start. Now I'll start, girls. Polysiphonia. Next one. What is the next one? Polysiphonia. Rhodophysi member. 1 second, ma. I'll share my PPT. One second, girls. One second, ma. Some my network issue today. Total problem is there. That's why. Oh, wait. Are you able to see PPT, ma? Polysiphonia. Kanpisunda? Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, wait. See here, the last class, Rhodophysi member. What is Ectocarpus class, ma? Anyone to tell? Ectocarpus class enti?
Theophysi.
Phonophysi, ma'am.
Theophysi.
Theophysi, madam.
Theophysi general character. What is the where we can identify the Theophysi member? ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుందని చెప్పాను ఫ్రెష్ వాటర్ ఆర్ మెరైన్ వాటర్
Marine water, madam.
Marine water.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద కలర్ ఆఫ్ Theophysi? What is the color? Brown color. Next one, ma. Today I'll explain to the another class Rhodophysi member. That Rhodophysi member is the red algae. Last class in this one. What is the Rhodophysi? Is the very last class you can study to the Rhodophysi member. In this Rhodophysi, what characters are there? Which color is there? The members belonging to this class are commonly called red algae. Which name antaru? The name antaru ma? Red algae antaru. The genera belonging to this class are cultivated as one second. The cultivated as a marine culture. Around 10 lakhs tons of commercial products are present in this Rhodophysi member. Japan, China, Philippines by cultivating of in this algae. And commercially very useful. What characters are there? Majority species are marine, only few are freshwater. And 90% of algae found in marine. Only few are found in freshwater. Thallus is a filamentous. Pseudo parenchyma or parenchyma thallus is present. And here, what type of pigments are there? Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D pigments. And phycoerythrin, phycobilins are most important here. Here, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, both are phycobilins. These pigments are present in this one. But here, phycoerythrin is very dominant to compare to the phycocyanin. That's where this algae name is called the red algae or Rhodophysi. And chlorophyll A, D, and phycoerythrin, phycocyanin is present. Alpha and beta carotene also. The pigments exhibit chromatic adaptations. Fluoridians, the reserve food material is the starch is very common, but here the starch name is called Fluoridian starch. Presence of polysaccharides, sulfates in cell wall. And next one, plasmodesmatas also connection in between cells. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. But here one very important character is there. That character is non-motile male gametes. Naked male gametes are present. Very, very, very important, girls. Non-motile naked gametes in the Rhodophysi. In all classes, the male gamete is the flagella is present. But only Rhodophysi member, the flagella is totally absent. That is called non-motile naked male gamete are produced in sexual reproduction. The life cycle is called diplomatic life cycle. Diplomatic life cycle is present in this class. Okay, this is a general account. Now I'll explain to the what is the type study name. Tell me anyone, what is the name of type study?
Polysiphonia.
Polysiphonia. Here, what is the meaning of, see in this one, the genus Polysiphonia meaning, poly meaning many, siphonous meaning tubes. Ela untundi the plant body? అన్ని ట్యూబ్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. పాలి ఎక్కువ, మెనీ, siphonous meaning tube. See, this is the thallus. You can observe the thallus. Just tree like thallus is there, no? This one is the marine algae. You can observe under ocean, under sea, these algae found it. Okay, this is the Polysiphonia meaning many tube like thallus is present. This is the how many species are there? 150 species to identified, and out of about 16 species are reported in India. Total how many species? 150 species are identified throughout worldwide. But our India, how many species are there? Only 16 species are reported. They grow in marine habitat, and the cosmopolitan distributions are there. This is the habitat. Commonly, they are found in littoral or sublittoral zones. In India, you can observe in this one western and southern coast where marine algae, these are the where oceans are there, seas are there. In that places you can observe in this one. Commonly, they grow lithophytic. What is the lithophytic? They are growing on rocks or stones. That's why this is the lithophytic algae. Example, Polysiphonia elongata. Polysiphonia elongata grow on lithophytic rocks on stone. Some species grow on other algal member. Other algal member meaning laminaria is the phaeophysi member. These Brodophysi member of Polysiphonia grow as epiphytic on laminaria. The best example, Polysiphonia erosilla, Polysiphonia tertulacea. Both are to grow on other phaeophysi member, that is called the laminaria. And some are Ascophyllum nodum also. Polysiphonia fastigata grow on semi-parasitic. Some of the periparasitic, that is the Ascophyllum. This is the habitat, girls. Did you understood habitat? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
See, what is the plant body? What is the thallus structure? I'll explain. Plant body is the multi-axillary, well-branched thallus are there. See, multi-axillary, well-branched. See, many branches are there. Yes or no, girls? Not only single branch, many branches, multicellular, many branches of thallus, dark brown or reddish color, bluish color appear. Very small bush type of thallus are there. The height of bush varies from several centimeters. The height of this bush is several centimeter height is present. Most of species is heterotrichous habitat. You know what is the heterotrichous? Consisting of prostrate and projecting system. That's where the thallus is the heterotrichous plant body. Heterotrichous, both systems are present. Both system meaning prostrate system. This one, this is the creeping system or prostrate system. Erect system, upright system is called erect system, or this one is called projecting system. That's where the thallus is the consist of heterotrichous. What is the prostrate system? How to identify? This is the prostrate. The creeping system is called prostrate. It may be multi-axillary, well developed from the lower side of the prostrate system. In this system, to found to the many rhizoids. See, this is the rhizoid. This one is rhizoid. This is a rhizoid. You can observe many unicellular rhizoids are developed. Each and every rhizoid much lobed and form defined attached discs also present. This is the prostrate system. And these rhizoids, see, you can observe, this is the prostrate system. Creeping system is called prostrate system. You can observe below the prostrate system, rhizoids are there, no, girls? These rhizoids is the unicellular rhizoids developed from the lowermost cell of the erect system, and aggregation of the massive attachment of disc. See, attaching to the discs also present in the the creeping system, or what is another name? This one, prostrate system. The second system is called erect. This one, you can observe where my arrow mark is there. This is called the erect system. What is the erect? The erect filament developed from the prostrate system. The erect system developed from the prostrate. We can observe picture, see rhizoid in the attaching disc. This is the erect system. This is the prostrate system rhizoids. These erect system consist of main axis and many branches are present. Each and every branch are two types. One is the long branch, another one is a short branch. Erect system to divide it, again two branches, girls. One branch is called long, another branch is called short. Where long branch is there, in that long branches, unlimited growth are there. Where the long, this is a long branch. These long branches always here unlimited growth are the long branches or long lateral branches. Next one is the side branches is called the short. That is called limited growth. Long branch is always unlimited growth. Short branches is called always limited growth. That is called trichoblast. Very, very important, ma. In Polysiphonia, both systems are there. Project system, erect system. Where the erect system is there, again these erect system, two types of branches to form. That is a long branch and short branch. Where the long branch is there, that is the unlimited growth is present. Where the short branch is there, that is a limited growth of branches. That's where this is called the branches of limited growth. These growths are is called trichoblast. Very important. Where we can observe to the trichoblast in Polysiphonia only. See, the long branch develop in a spiral or radial symmetry. Very listen careful, girls. Spiral and radial energy. See, this is the apical portion of plant body. Central siphonous. Central siphonous meaning this one is the siphon. This is the siphonous. Central siphonous meaning this one. This part, the central part is the central siphonous. Again, this one is the cortical cells. This one is the central siphonous and pericentral siphonous and cortical cells are present. See, two branches are there, no, in erect system. Tell me what type of branches are there in erect system? ఏమేం బ్రాంచెస్ ఉంటాయి ఎరెక్ట్ సిస్టమ్ లో? Girls, how many branches are there in erect system?
Two types.
What are that one? One is a long and second one is a
Short branch.
short. Long branch lo, what is the long branch? Long branch called unlimited growth. You know, these are unlimited growth of long branch laterals and short branches is the limited growth. Both total is called trichoblast. These spirally arranged dichotomously branches. This trichoblast, see where the trichoblast, this one. This is the trichoblast, this part. These trichoblast always colorless. This one is the trichoblast is the colorless, mostly annual structures bearing sex organs to produce these trichoblast. The trichoblast may be developed both from main axis along the long branches also. The main axis long branches consist of central siphonous. Many elongated cells, cylindrical cells are situated in vertical rows. How many surrounding cells are there? See, this one is a central siphonous. After central siphonous, second layer to form the pericentral siphonous. See, pericentral siphonous. These pericentral siphonous, 4 to 20 pericentral. Middle one is a central siphonous. And surrounding the central siphonous, another cells 4 to 20 pericentral siphonous are found. So the plant body is called. After that one's cortical cells or many cells too. That's where this plant body name is called Polysiphonia. Why? central siphonous cells are there, and again the surrounding that one pericentral siphonous cells, 4 to 20 are formed. That's why the plant body name is called Polysiphonia and named as called Polysiphonia. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది కదా ఎందుకు పేరు వచ్చిందని. Only the central siphonous is present at the apical region of both main axis along the branches. In most of species, these perisiphonous is covered with 3 layers. What are the 3 layers? Cortical cells, due to periclinical, anticlinical divisions are there. These pericentral siphonous to form all of cell plant body connected with pits. And each and every, see the total plant body like this. First one is the central cells are present surrounding the pericentral 20 to 40. After that one, cortical cells, each and every cell connected in between the pits also present. See in this one, these two is a link is there, no, that link name is called pit. That's why the plant body name is called perisiphonous, Polysiphonia. The plant body name is called like that, Polysiphonia. And what is the important features of polysiphon? First one is the cell. The cell made up of outer layer, inner layer, 2 layers. Differentiate. Outer layer made up of pectins, inner layer made up of cellulose. The cell or uninucleate discoid chloroplast is present. So without pyrenoids is totally absent. Neighboring cell connected with the pit connection. The contain the large vacuoles are present. Another very important character here, reserve food material is